Assalamualaikum and good morning to both of my panel, Prof. Madya Dr. Jezan and Dr. Nurianti Spura. Today, my name is AHMAD FITRI Hakim bin ARIF, and today I will present my FYP 1 entitled Driving Behavior Affecting Safety Performance of 3-lane urban arterials under mid-traffic in Section 7. According to Ministry of Transport in 2021, since 2010 to 2019, the traffic fatalities increasing every year from 414,421 to 567,416. Plus, Section 7 is condensed with mid-traffic that could affect driving behaviors. To tackle these problems, questionnaire and traffic parameters lab such as level of service and spot speed study will be conducted to show the relationship of driving behavior affecting safety performance. The objective of this study is to analyze the different kinds of driving behavior affecting safety performance and to investigate the relationship driving behavior contributing to safety performance in 3-lane urban arterials under mid-traffic in Section 7 Shah Alam. The scope of work. This study focuses on how the driving behavior will affect the safety performance of 3-lane urban arterial under mid-traffic in Section 7 and to reveal the different kinds of driving behavior usually made by the road users in Section 7. The significance of study. This study will explore all types of driving behaviors in Section 7 as well as help the traffic flow in terms of level of service and spot speed. Plus, it will enhance the safety of vulnerable road users, VRUs, such as pedestrians, motorcyclists, and cyclists. Literature review. Mixed traffic flow. According to M. and Verma in 2016, mixed traffic flow is a combination of light and heavy vehicles with different operating skill. It is a situation where the light lorries, trucks, and motorcycles are on the roads together. Abdel Fattah in 2016 said that almost 14% of the traffic accidents occur during late afternoon. The time duration of the late afternoon is around 3 p.m. until 6 p.m. Factors affecting driving behaviors. As stated by Oxford in 2021, monotony is defined as boring or lack of variety. Since driving is an activity that requires a continuous focus, the driving will be considered as monotonous activity. Anger. According to et al. In 2020, female has a higher chance to break the traffic rule than males while driving in anger. However, the result shows that race responsible for 3% in traffic law violation. Distraction. Mahta et al. In 2019 stated that driver's distraction is a driver's inability to focus on the road because they are preoccupied with something. For example, drinking, having a conversation, and using mobile phone. A traffic parameters influenced by driving behavior. Spot speed study. The speed of the road users using the road can affect the speed distribution, and the spot speed study must be done to determine the speed distribution as well as set the speed limit of the road. Level of service. According to Kite et al. In 1996, level of service can be affected in many ways such as travel time and speed, as well as the freedom to travel with desired speed. The inexperienced drivers changes the lane without signaling can cause traffic congestion and thus will affecting the level of service eventually. Methodology. This is the flowchart of my study, which include problem statement and objective, literature review, methodology, which can be divided into two, questionnaire, site observation, data analysis, finding and discussion, and conclusion and recommendation. Let's take a look at questionnaire method. The questionnaire method will be done by using online Google form. The advantages of this method is because it's cheap, user-friendly, and fast. This method will be used to reveal the type of behavior in 3 lanes urban arterial under mixed traffic in section 7. And then the data will be analyzed using SPSS. SPSS is a short for Statistical Package for Social Science. The data that will be gathered will be more accurate to represent the feedbacks of the respondents. And this software is mostly to do the sophisticated statistical data analysis. Level of service. According to Planning Tank in 2020, a good level of service will guarantee that all travelers reach their destination on schedule with minimal pain and discomfort. So, the section 7 is selected to determine the traffic flow and the factors affecting it. The procedure of level of service. First, the parameter will be gathered, such as amount of traffic, phase movement of junction, and route geometries. The data will be gathered from 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m., which is most of the working road users are having lunch, and it is the time where most of the vehicles are on the road. Then the data will be analyzed using CIDRA 8 software. CIDRA 8 software is used to design and evaluate the intersection, and the result will show the level of service and the movement summary. For spot speed study, according to Maksud and Hamza in 2014, traveling over the speed limit, unpredictable weather conditions, and driver sleepiness are the 3 major causes of deadly incidents. This study will be conducted to reveal the speed distribution of section 7 and the factors affecting it. The reason why this study is chosen because it is fast and easy. Procedure for spot speed study. First, the area of observation will be selected. In my case, section 7 will be chosen as a selected area. Then, observe the data. The 50 samples of vehicle speed will be observed by using a radar gun. For data analyzation, the data that has been gathered will be distributed into a frequency distribution graph and cumulative frequency distribution graph to show the speed distribution of the selected area. Expected result. It is expected that the targeted respondents will answer the questionnaire precisely. Second, the study hopes that the traffic flow is higher in peak period compared to normal period. And lastly, it is expected that the speed distribution is consistent in average to get the data more precise. These are some of my references. Thank you.